In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reminders and tasks from messages in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or trying to optimize your workflow, using Microsoft Teams to streamline your reminders can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. If you're not already signed in, look towards the top right corner of the web page. You should see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. If you've already signed in, you can skip this step. Once you're prompted, enter your Microsoft account details to log in. If you're new to using Microsoft Teams, make sure you have your credentials ready, or you might want to reset your password if necessary. Remember, logging in ensures that all your reminders and tasks sync across your devices. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the chat section. This is where you probably spend a lot of your time communicating with colleagues or friends. Your chat is a versatile space, not just for conversation, but also for productivity enhancements, like setting reminders. Choose the specific chat where you want to set a reminder or task. This could be a conversation with a team member or a group chat that you're part of. Once you've selected the chat, look towards the bottom right of the chat interface. There's a plus icon that's easy to spot. This is the button you'll need to click to expand additional options in your chat window. By doing so, you're opening the door to various functions that can help manage your communications better. Next, tap on Set Delivery Options. This feature allows you to enhance the visibility of the message you're about to send. By clicking on Important, you're ensuring that the message stands out to the recipients. This option is particularly useful when you want to make sure that the reminder or task you're setting is noticed promptly by those involved. Now, type in your reminder. Keep it clear and concise. Details should be specific enough that you'll know exactly what's needed when you're reviewing it later. Once your reminder is typed in and ready to go, look for the Send button. Click it, and your reminder is now active, visible to you and your chat participants, marked as important so it won't get lost in the mix. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created a reminder or task directly from your chat in Microsoft Teams. Incorporating this method into your daily routine should help keep you on track and enhance your organization skills. Feel free to revisit any part of this process if you need a little more practice, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more helpful tips and tricks.